More than a year after its debut in the US, dinala na ng Honda Cars Philippines ang bagong 2024 Honda CR-V. Ano ang bago this time? It now has a hybrid system. Yan at marami pang iba ang pag-uusapan natin in this quick look of the 2024 Honda CR-V. Syempre, ano pa nga bang gagawin ninyo bago mag-intro? Like this video, subscribe to our channel at pumunta sa philkotse.com kung wala kayong magawa habang nagda-download ng movies. Kotse ba? Feel kotse na. Siyempre, unahin muna natin ang presyo ng magkaalaman na kagad. The all-new Honda CR-V will start at 2,100,000 pesos while the top of the line will be at 2,590,000 pesos. Ouch! Medyo mahapde, no? Pero mukhang bawi naman sa features. Tingnan natin. Bago ang powertrain ng bagong CR-V. It's available with an internal combustion engine for the lower variants habang ang top of the line ay may hybrid system. This is the first Honda hybrid in the country so medyo significant siya. For the ICE models, meron itong 1.5-liter turbocharged engine making 190 horsepower and 240 Nm of torque paired to a CVT. Ang pinagkaiba ay ang entry model, naka front wheel drive habang ang mid-level VX ay may real-time all-wheel drive. Sa RSE HEV naman, meron itong 2-liter naturally aspirated engine combined with 2 electric motors. Front wheel drive lang din ito unlike the mid-level na all-wheel drive. Ang combined output nitong hybrid system ng Honda ay nasa 207 horsepower and 335 Nm of torque paired to an electronic CVT. Hintayin natin ang review ng CR-V to see how this is different from the usual CVT that Honda uses. I'm sure meron dyang magtataka, bakit wala na yung diesel CR-V? There are two reasons for it. Una ay hindi na ito available sa Thailand where we get our CR-V from. Pangalawa, kahit bumalik ito, hindi na ito kukunin ng Honda Cars Philippines dahil focus sila sa pagiging environmentally friendly. That's despite of the fact na 80% ng previous generation CR-V sold ay yung diesel variant. When it comes to looks, mas maaliwalas na tingnan ang CR-V na ito compared sa previous model. It's more minimalist with less lines leading to a less busy look. Mas lumaki rin ang major pieces like the grille and fog light housing dahil nga mas may space na para laruin ng designers. Sa sides naman, medyo same pa rin ang linyahan. Yun lang, mas mababa na ang lower character line. All wheels are at 18 inches pero the RS Hybrid is distinct with its black finish. Pinanindigan na talaga ng Honda ang L-shaped taillights ng CR-V dahil sa mini L patterns nito. Nawalan na rin siya ng chrome accents and yung plate holder niya tumaas na, nandito na sa ilalim ng logo. Kinuha naman ng CR-V ang main interior theme sa Civic brother nito. Meron din itong horizontal themed dashboard with the mesh grille sa gitna, giving it a familiar look kung nakasakay na kayo dun sa current generation na Civic. Nagbalik din ang traditional shifter dito sa center console compared sa previous na puro buttons. Marami sigurong umalma dun sa change na yun kaya binalik nila sa paboritong stick ng mga tito natin. For the driver, meron itong 10.2-inch digital gauge cluster together with a heads-up display for easier reading while driving. Sa gitna ng dash ay meron namang 9-inch touchscreen with Android Auto and wireless Apple CarPlay at for the hybrid trim, this is paired to a 12-speaker Bose sound system. Perfect ito para kay Boss Jacob na dating musikero. Other amenities include a 15-watt wireless charger, dual-zone automatic climate control, panoramic sunroof, powered tailgate, and powered leather seats with memory. Iba na rin pala ang seating configuration dito sa bagong CR-V. Now, the entry and mid variants ang 7-seater while the hybrid top of the line ay 5-seater lang. This is because of the battery packs na kailangan sa loob ng sasakyan. Aside sa hybrid, also making its debut here with the CR-V is the new Honda Connect. It basically connects the car to your smartphone allowing it to send notifications to your phone. Useful ito, lalo na kung kunwari, pinadrive mo sa iba yung sasakyan mo. You'll get info kung nakailang front collision warning yung humiram, kung nag-overspeed na ba, and even do emergency calls. Siyempre, meron itong security alarm, Find My Car feature, and remote vehicle control. All variants of the 2024 Honda CR-V will have Honda Sensing. Again, ito yung advanced safety suite ng Honda na very useful for your everyday drive kasi this includes adaptive cruise control with low speed follow, forward collision warning, and lane keeping assist system among others. Again, this Honda CR-V starts at 2,100,000 pesos for the VCVT, 2,280,000 pesos for the VX with all-wheel drive, and the RS Hybrid is at 2,590,000 pesos. At syempre, libre lang ang mag-subscribe dito sa PhilKotse. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, mag-subscribe na kayo para mauna kayo sa balita pag na-review na namin to. So paano ba yan? Ako po inyong senpai ng Turbuan, Stanley Chi, na nagpapaalala sa inyong lahat na i-follow ako sa mga social media accounts ko. Kompleto ako niyan. May sarili akong YouTube channel, youtube.com/StanleyChi, at makinig sa aking podcast, Underpaid with Stanley Chi, sa Spotify and Apple Podcast. So paano ba yan? Kita-kits tayo sa next video, dito lang sa PhilKotse. Bye-bye! Thanks for watching. For the latest news, reviews, and anything you want to know about cars and car ownership, visit philkotse.com. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Spotify para hindi ka huli sa usapan. Tandaan, kotse ba? PhilKotse na!